Jennifer Lopez, iconic, unstoppable, and the embodiment of ageless vitality. This smoothie is endorsed by none other than Marco Borges, JLo's trusted exercise physiologist, who's been instrumental in shaping her fitness and wellness routines. This claim has been featured in numerous reputable articles, highlighting how this smoothie is a vital part of JLo's morning routine. And the best part? It's super easy to make at home. Let's get started with the ingredients. Here's what you'll need. 1 handful of fresh spinach, packed with vitamins and minerals. 1 frozen banana for that creamy texture and a natural sweetness. 1 cup of rice milk, dairy-free and gentle on the stomach. 2 scoops of almond or sunflower butter, loaded with healthy fats and omega-3s. And finally, 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder to keep you full and fueled for the day. Simply combine all these ingredients in your blender. Adjust the measures to achieve the consistency you love, whether that's thick and creamy or a bit lighter. Blend until smooth, and there you have it. JLo's signature morning smoothie. This smoothie is more than just a tasty treat. It's a powerhouse of nutrition. It's full of fiber, omega-3s, and protein, making it the perfect meal replacement or recovery drink after a workout. As JLo's exercise physiologist, Marco Borges says, it makes a huge difference, and JLo absolutely loves it. And I can see why. It's fresh, delicious, and you know you're doing something amazing for your body. So why not give it a try and start your day like JLo? If you enjoyed this video, share with your friends, and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest health and wellness tips. Here's to a healthier, more vibrant you.